मंगळारा सकाळी मिरामार ब्रिज सर्त सुरू जाली. वट्ट 50 टीमींनी ह्या सर्तीत वांटो घेतला. भारतान मिक्स आणि सुपर मिक्स गटात बरी सुरवात केली, जाल्यार चायनान सिनियर्स आणि दादल्या गटात पेजात खेळ केलो. हे सर्तीक खूप म्हत्व आसा अशें आयोजक म्हणटात.
All the teams will be competing here for next 6-7 days, and as this game is now in the Asian Games, which is going to be conducted in Jakarta in August later this year, this championship is also a very important championship where all the countries which are participating in Asian Games are almost participating here in India.
And India, in India, we at Bridge Federation of India are very, very hopeful of coming back with a few medals from Jakarta. That is really what this.
सोमारा राती हे सर्तीचो उक्तावण सुवाळो जालो. हांगा संवसारीक ब्रिज संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष जियान रिगो रोना मुखेल सोयरो आशिल्लो. गोंयांत मुखार संवसारीक सर्तूय जावपाक शकता अशें तो म्हणटा.
We had an idea to organize, probably also in the future, a big world event involving all the countries everywhere in the world. So I have to congratulate the Indian Federation and the zonal organization.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी.